Hi, what's going on everybody? I'm glad to see you again for another tutorial. I'm Mohammad and you're watching the 6th episode of the IELTS speaking series. In today's episode, we're going to work on a new set of Part 1 questions. So let's jump into it.
What is your full name? My full name is mohamadgolpayegani. Where are you from? I was born and bred in Tehran. Do you work or study? I do a little bit of both. Where do you study? At the moment, I'm a graduate student of anthropology at Johns Hopkins University. What courses are you studying? The course I'm taking right now deals with the origins of the human mind. Why did you choose this course? To be perfectly honest, I did it to get a promotion and earn a more comfortable living. Is it a popular course among your friends? No, not really. People begin to yawn no sooner than I start talking about it. Now we're going to move on to a different topic. I'm going to ask you some questions about cooking. Who does the cooking at your home? My mom is a chef extraordinaire at home and she takes care of culinary activities. Can you cook well? Oh no, I wish I could though. Sadly, omelette is the most complex dish I can make. Do you think it's necessary to have cooking skills? Yeah, I guess it's an important life skill because without it, you run the risk of starving to death. Should it be taught at school? It would be great if it were taught at school. In my opinion, kids have an infinite learning capacity and it would be easier for them to learn to cook when they're young. Now we're going to move to yet another topic. I'm going to ask you some questions about your friends. What do you do when you hang out with your friends? We normally go to a cozy cafe and discuss books. Do you hang out with just a few friends or with a large group of friends? Well, since my social circle is not really that large, I normally hang out with a small group of people. When was your last time going out? Wow. It was a long time ago. In fact, so long ago that I can't even remember. But I think it was about 2 months ago when I went to the movies with my family.
And that's it for this episode. In the next one, we'll work on a new Part 2 task card. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing.
Wish all the hashtags, likes, and tweets would find a way to get